Jenny here with an Onshape tech tip. Ever watch a mate connector break the moment your geometry changes? Here's the fix, the attachment option in the mate connector feature. It keeps your components locked in, aligned and moving correctly downstream, in the part studio, in the assembly, everywhere. Let's break it down. In the part studio, create a mate connector on a face. Set the attachment to that same face to selection. That's it. Now if the face moves, the connector moves with it automatically. But here's where it gets more powerful. Say you've got non-sheet metal parts that you need positioned against a sheet metal part, but then when the sheet metal part unfolds, you need those parts to follow. This can be achieved in 3 steps. Use the gray parts geometry to set the location of the mate connector, but use the sheet metal part's face for the attachment and the sheet metal part as the owner entity. Now you've got precise placement and built-in flexibility. Now into the assembly. Insert your parts, mate them using that explicit mate connector. Then flip a configuration checkbox and boom, bent state, folded state with one click. That's the attachment option. Small setting with massive control.